And we're back. We're taking a look at our test review still, but we're now at the bottom where we have balancing our equations. So we have 3 examples. The first one is going to be where we have 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine. And because you have conservation of mass, meaning if there are 2 hydrogens on the reactant side, there have to be 2 hydrogens on the product side, so on the right-hand side. So as a refresher, these were your reactants. These are your products. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to jot down that I have a hydrogen and I have chlorine. Now I'm just going to put it right down the center because I know if I have 2 hydrogen on this side, I'm going to have 2 hydrogen on the product side. 2 chlorine on the left, 2 chlorine on the right. So let's write down how many we have. 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. If there is no number here, we are assuming that it exists because it's written, but it's an understood 1. So you have 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Now, they don't balance. So think about a teeter-totter, right? Or seesaw. It needs to be 2 and 2. So how do I get 2 over here? The only way that you can change the number of chlorine is to put a large number, which we call coefficient. And the beautiful thing about that is when you put it out front, it's going to be like an imaginary parenthesis. So now I have 2 hydrogen and I have 2 chlorine. So you're going to multiply each element by the number that is in front, which we called a coefficient. Am I balanced? 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorines, 2 chlorines. You're done. Check back for the next video for